Continuing with our billing series of videos, let us watch how the platform supports generation of the billing file or the bill feeds. One of the important features of a cloud management platform is to capture the entire billing data in the cloud marketplace and share the same on a scheduled basis with external applications for auditing, reporting or downstream processing. The Jamcracker Cloud Management Platform supports generating the bill feeds or billing files with pre-rated billable data that allows cloud marketplaces to generate invoices from their existing legacy systems. The data in these feeds also allows cloud stores or marketplaces to leverage their existing legacy or third-party systems for further reporting and analysis, payment reconciliation, revenue recognition, or to manage credit limits and to reconcile the total amount due towards various cloud service providers. These feeds can be configured to be generated either at the cloud marketplace or at individual cloud stores. The TSV files and CSV files are typically uploaded to a secure FTP folder and followed up with an email to the stakeholders. The Cloud Management Platform supports two types of billing feeds: Daily Consolidated Bill Feed, Monthly Consolidated Bill Feed. Daily consolidated feeds are generated daily and contain billable data for services provisioned on that day. Instead of fetching the subscriptions daily, some organizations prefer to receive the billable data only once a month. Thus, a monthly consolidated feed is generated only once a month. A cloud marketplaces that uses the daily data to pass it to their legacy system for payment reconciliation will opt for the daily bill feed. A cloud marketplace that uses this information to generate the invoices on their end customers once a month will opt for a monthly bill feed. The charges included vary based on the type of feeds. Billing feed typically contains the detailed view of all active subscriptions, payments and other billing-related information. Data is further broken down per customer, per subscription and per offer. Bill feed will have all the cloud transactions including a new SaaS order, additional SaaS order, cancellation, reduction, a term offer with a specific start and end date, trial promotion offers, offers with discounts and taxes and IaaS offers. The activity type field is one of the most important fields to identify the different transactions displayed in the bill feeds. The activity type new represents the prorate charges of the first billing cycle of the first order fulfilled for a customer. The activity type additional represents the prorated charges in the first billing cycle for additional SaaS licenses and is applicable only for prorated offers. The activity type recurring represents the recurring amount charged for prorated offered in subsequent billing cycles. For non-prorated offers, this field represents additional licenses as well as recurring amount charged in subsequent billing cycles. Cancellation and reduction entries as well as subscriptions associated with a custom trial promotion are represented with their respective values in the activity type field. Usage charges for IaaS or SaaS services can be uniquely identified in the feeds with their granular details. Let us take a quick look to understand the bill feeds better. Each entry pertaining to a customer is displayed with the corresponding customer-related data. The cloud store or reseller details as well as the vendor details form part of the bill feed. These feeds clearly indicate the unit price per license, the total quantity provisioned, the total amount before and after taxes and discounts. Let's see how an order and additional order appeared in the bill feed. For example, John orders a service on 10th August for 1 unit and additional 3 units on 15th. On 1st September, which is a bill run date, the monthly bill feed generated will have 5 records. First and second record for the prorated and setup fee charges for new order. Third line item with recurring amount charged for upcoming billing cycle. In case of additional subscriptions, the fourth and fifth records will have the corresponding activity type and charges. For non-prorated service, bill feed will not have prorated amount, instead it will have recurring and setup fee amount. Example, if order is placed 23rd August, bill feed will full charged from 23rd August to 22nd of September and setup fees. Using the same example as previous slide, let us see how the charges are displayed in the daily bill feeds. On the date of provisioning for a new order, the feed that is generated will have the prorated and setup fee. Additional order will have only prorate fee. The feed generated on the bill run date will have the entry for the recurring fee. If a service is cancelled or reduced, then bill feed will have an entry representing the cancellation or reduction. For a daily feed, this entry will appear on same date as the cancellation or reduction, while for a monthly feed, this entry will show the date of cancellation or reduction in the service cancellation field. Term subscriptions are displayed in the bill feed and can be identified with the subscription type field, with the respective term start and term end date. There is no special entry when the term expires or is terminated. However, if the subscription has been renewed at the end of the term, a new term subscription will be created. Let's see how a tier prices order appears in bill feeds. John ordered 10 units at $10 on 23rd and orders 3 more units on 26th. This brings the total quantity to 13 and allows him to avail the tier pricing of $9. In a monthly bill feed, there will be prorate fees of $10 and recurring charges at $9 for the first subscription. For the additional subscription, there will be prorate and recurring charges at $9. When a customer has availed a 100% promotion or a trial offer, the feed displays the details as seen here. Once the trial is converted to a paid subscription, another entry appears as in bill feed. Similarly, discounts offered on a subscription will also appear in feeds with discounts details. Let's see how IaaS offers appear in feeds. Usage for all IaaS resources consumed from cloud providers like AWS, Azure etc. are displayed in the feed. Please remember that the platform displays all IaaS resources either consumed within the Jamcracker platform or ordered directly in the vendor console. The Jamcracker feed displays the granular level details under usage attribute indicating the provider, region, product consumed and type of usage. Data has been retrieved from multiple sources to provide this level of granularity in the feeds. This level of details is very helpful to analyze the consumption, and to control costs. Thus, bill feeds form a very important component of a cloud management platform and have several benefits. Thank you for watching the video. To know more about bill feeds, please visit docs.jamcracker.com.